Hello, Eddie Alexander Banks here again, talking about the evidence portion of a court of record. Now I'm going to take you to 92.51. 92.51. And it states right here, Uniform Depositions Law. This section may be cited as the Uniform Foreign Depositions Law. Whenever any mandate, writ, or commission is issued out of any, emphasis added, court of record in any other state, territory, district, or foreign jurisdiction, or whenever upon notice or agreement it is required to take the testimony of a witness or witnesses in this state, witnesses may be compelled to appear and testify in the same manner and by the same process or proceedings as may be employed for the purposes of taking testimony in proceedings pending in this state. This section shall be interpreted and construed as to effectuate its general purposes to make uniform the laws of those states which enact it. Whoa boy. And then let's go down to 92.32, which is official findings and reports, presumptions of authority to issue or execute. For the purpose of this law, any finding, report, or record, emphasis added, or duly certified copy thereof, purporting to have been signed by such an officer, such an officer or employee of the United States as described above, shall be prima facie deemed to have been signed and issued by such an officer or employee pursuant to law, and the person signing the same shall prima facie be deemed to have acted within the scope of the person's authority. If the copy purports to have been certified by a person authorized by law to certify it, the same such certified copy shall be prima facie evidence of the person's authority to certify. This is the root and principal foundation of the evidence. And then I'm going to take you down to 9260. Where are you? There you are. Foreign records of regularly conducted activities. For the purpose of this section, foreign records of regularly conducted business activity means a memorandum, report, record, or data compilation in any form of acts, events, conditions, opinions, or diagnosis maintained in a foreign country. Foreign certification. Key, the evidence, certification. That's where you want to live at, because no one can trump a foreign certification, just like no other nation could come and trump a state certification or the United States certification. Foreign certification means a written declaration made or signed in a foreign country by the custodian of a foreign record of regularly conducted business activity or another qualified person that is if falsely made, would subject or subject the maker to criminal penalty under the laws of this country. Business means any business, institution, association, profession, occupation, or calling of any kind, emphasis added, whether or not constructed or conducted for profit. In criminal or civil proceedings in a court of the state of Florida, a foreign record is regularly conducted business activity, or a copy of such record shall be excluded or shall not be excluded as evidence by the hearsay rule of a foreign certification attesting that And these are the components that you need: A, B, C, D. Such record was made at or near the time of the occurrence of the matter set forth by, from information transmitted by a person with knowledge of those matters. B, such record was kept in the course of regular conducted business activity. C, the business activity made such a record as a regular practice, and if such record is not the original, it is a duplicate or the original. So I'm going to take you over to what personal foreign certifications would look like. No, let's see. No, hold on. Here we go. All right. This is my my own private certificate of authority, which appears in the public record. Okay. So here's the certificate. The certificate that certifies foreign records of regular conducted business activity, and then the certificate of genuineness of signature, act of state for foreign public documents, and another private apostille under my court of record. This is my associate or employee ID, clerk of court, chief justice, custodian of record identification, which does appear in the public record. I'll just pause right there.